Hello, my people. Hello, I don't come again. Let me una sister do as you reach Mama TV. Una good afternoon, una good morning. Na me I bring one advert, con the advert na gboza. This world, computer don't do everything, and human being don't still do everything for us because you will sit down for your house, pam. The auntie wey I want talk about so na Edo Omosigo Agina Gwogo Agina gbe mi o Agina Gwogo me o Agina Gwogo yo meme the Agina gbe mi alias Edo Omosigo na Ivebo na want do so na me una do as you reach Mama TV. Na colon na dey stay. He make everything simple for everybody. He branch go soon dey belly. He go soon do all over Germany. He branch. But where he fed day now, na Cologne. If you want cook any soup, just tell him the soup where you want. He go tell you the amount. Then in Facebook, Mona follow him for Facebook. In Facebook na Omosigo. And the Instagram na Omosigo lunch. Mona go follow am. Any food where you want cook, you go stay your house jeje like this. You go ask small transport journal for them. We just come drop and click your bed. Pam, we just give you the food. I get up on my leg. Udo amien son. Udo a stress egboe. Uga we 12 hours, 13 hours. Or 1 hour, 24 hours. Or we click a bed one way anyway. Uga logi o waka me wo gigwa loti ni go no hima wo wale umani dinu ya de mi owore umani dinu ya de bogare umani dinu ya de crayfish umani dinu ya de yere o wa no ya go still na kan for ogbodo ibo for una mo na hear the thing where they talk. I know they talk like na me do as you reach Mama TV. Go my YouTube channel, go subscribe. Ege da we ege penny we gangan. You go just dey your house, tell am say I need ogbolo. You go just prepare am. You go tell am the pot where you want. If na big pot, you go tell am say just do am for big pot. You go do am for big pot for you. If na medium pot, you go tell am say me do am for medium pot. If you want egusi, you go do am okmakan. If you want owo, you go do am okmakan. Isi ewu okwa wegu okmakan. So for me, you tell the meat where they follow and they go. You go just prepare and come cook your bear. Say may you bring your rubber where you want it. If you want me still help you buy rubber, or may you still help you tie and small as a auntie, a gallant lady. You go just help you tie am for small cellophane where you go they put for microwave. They want just to turn puree put. The person where they tell you so na Edo Omosigo na him be name. In Facebook na Omosigo. Then follow am for Instagram too. Instagram in name na Omosigo lunch. If na pure you just still want to, if you dey come, you go tell am say abeg go auntie, I need say make you tie small pure put. You go just tie am kpankan for only one day put for you. But the soup na authentic one fear with here. Only amure don't come. Oh wale oye ogio. No say you go dey your house. Not be this one where you go put hand for water. No more hand for water for Europe again. E branch go soon dey Berlin. E branch go soon dey every place for Germany. But now e dey Cologne. In case for una wey e dey Cologne. Who see this video may share am. You go just paint your hand as you take feast and so it will be for that 2 months. If your nails when you dey feast before like 1 week, now you know they cook again. You see the person where you click your bed, just cook am maka. If na SMO, you go bring am. If na do Z off you dey you go bring am for you. If na this thing you dey you go bring am for you. If na Asian you dey you go bring am for you. You understand? E need that way you go cook am pastaka, you go bring am. If na Dortmund you dey you go bring am for you. Just to pay for small transport, tenkele. O wale oye ogio. If na Frankfurt you dey o wari egwe sai o wa so far nte ni no rebe ma wete time you nu re omudiane omosiwo for Facebook Easter no gram omosiwo lunch go follow am efesi no ria book ore wa mion imegwe bori yen. As I dey speak, so the one way I dey speak, so na correct English. If you don't say not correct, correct yourself. You go just cook egusi. You don't need to buy egusi corn. You don't need to buy ogbono corn. So family just tell and say, see the meat where I want for inside. You go just supply you. So all the city way around Cologne, they supply them. All the city way they nearby Cologne. They supply all of them. It branch today everywhere for Germany. I just say me I can't tell you now. Mona go follow her for Facebook. Mona not follow her for anything. Now because of food now say Mona follow her will not be any other thing. You go just sit down. If you be man or as a bachelor, you know say give many bachelor now. You know. Because of child benefit, a bachelor don't boku. For everywhere, don't boku. So before you come for work, you go tell us say, I beg, just help me tie. You go just help you tie small for cellophane. You know go collect money. Say that one I free to tie. You go just tie for you. Say that one I free. If you call shark, you go dey inside. If you call cow leg, you go dey inside. If you call llama, you go dey inside. If you call fish, you go dey inside. The kind of fish where you want made dey inside. If nice tilapia, you want made dry, made dey inside the egusi. Or what dry, or what mugu, or what go away. All the small city where just dey Cologne, they supply them. Put small money for. If you be step pizza now, if pizza they want be seller for you, say na €5, they will put their own transport journal. They will come tell you say na €6 80 cents. So that's what instead they do one. Mona go follow her quick. I don't say Mona follow her for anything. Mona not follow her for toasting, no. Mona not follow her for anything. Mona follow her for food or leg be authentic, you know, imetamo or leg be. If now what you want or asowo esalo boa we nanaji we sowo o leg be or alogini wa ogi no filiken da ogi we filiken da ogbolo we filiken pepper soup assorted or what yo that pepper soup God hey you need to see it. Agina guago, agina no hiangbe mi, agina guago me o, agino. Make una kola quick do omosigo. Mona go follow for a facing no hiang buku. Mona go follow for Easter no hiang gram. Omosigo lunch one. Na Cologne they stay. What if you call her not be say you go the you shakara the pick for us they call her in the picker. They tell you which one you want to order. What do you want to order for? Wait, you will put your ear down so that make you understand the English way they speak. What do you want? The egusi or break the one where you sabi break down for her. No one will follow you. If na English or whatever. If na edo or river, many mejena. Merize zebo ebona neme wedenu weriyo ni malele weze do abi ni malele weze bo ina weni one. Make una go follow her for Instagram una go follow her. Almost go lunch. Mona share. Mona they share my video, Mona they listing finish. My topic too sweet. Uno know where your enemy, the Mona come here and show you. If your enemy they make go bistep food. Go bistep better food make you they eat. That's why I did there for now. So a branch go still there, you go soon there every Germany. I will still share around. Mona go follow and then una go see number for YouTube. Una go see number for Instagram. I will write the number as soon as I finish this video. I dey write the number, they pin and put for there. Mona call her, mona order. You go there your house, you go there look your TV, you go hold your remote like this. Bang bang. You go just reach where bed, then I him. You go say, who is that? You say me or Mosigo. I don't supply, oh. Come carry your food for downstairs, oh. Just give her him money. Maka. As you tell her make cook for you, they give you account number, you they pay, put pay before service. He will ask you, say, which day you want me in bring am. It's a lovely. But me, I want to simple. This life don't turn to if you they wake up, see your food. Eh? Like the one where they see they do. If you want order for Bolo, it did there for you. If you want a goosey or raw one, it did there for you. If you want soup spicy, so you go just arrange them for you. Oh yeah, see them. If you want me to put them for post, now post go just come clean the bed like this. They will just give you your spices, give you your things where you want. If you say you don't feel cook now, you don't see how this life. Oh, yeah, but this life don't sweet. So, una do well, oh. Almost go, you do well. You just can't make this life simple for everybody. You go just dey sleep for sleep. Your soup go just ready. Eh? If na big pot, you say me take cook am, you go say I dey. If na medium pot, you go say I dey. If na small one, if na different one, small pot, you say me just cook am. Like a goosey now, you say cook am, you tie am for small cellophane, you go just tie am. Then, if you say me cook ogbolo, tie am, help you tie am for small cellophane, you go just tie am. Freeze am for you. If you no want, say, okay, oh, give me that, though, you go freeze am by yourself. Now, no say this life don't simple. Thank God, though, for the wisdom where you give Edo or Mosigo may bring this idea come out. Thank you, Jesus. See, this life don't simple. You don't go cook by yourself again. Just call out for hello. I beg, I dey speak with Omosigo, he will say yes. That one now Omosigo, he will say yes. I beg, I need 1 pot of egusi. And I need 1 pot of isiewu and pepper soup. I need 1 pot of eriboto. I need 1 pot of porridge. Yam porridge. Okay, I don't want me use yam, I want me use a katofi. I want a tilapia pepper soup. Oh yeah, paka. And so I continue this video. Richmond and share my video. Watch to the end. It's too sweet. See this girl just come make this life simple. Life come the sweet. I never even hear this one before. This one where Omosigo bring come out. You go just there your room, person go just make up. You go bless you the order for pizza. You go just make up. Hello. That one Omosigo. Yes, so na me. I beg go I see him for do as you reach mama TV where they do verbal for you. I don't know whether that's true. He say you dey cook ogbolo for person. I beg I want ogbolo and spinach. I beg you help me put okra for inside. Or you go cook spinach separate. He will still ask you which meat you want for inside. Now you go talk am. Dry fish, if you say na you take cook that river dry fish authentic, e dey Omosigo and Edo Omosigo. Go follow am for Instagram. If you don't fit cook, this one won't be like say, oh, I get the money, I don't fit cook. Yes, so this one won't be say I get the money, I don't fit cook. Yes, so Omosigo dey there we go cook for you. Any food where you want, just call out for phone. I will pin the number there now. Order for your food. If he branch don't see there, where he branch there for Berlin again, I will still tell you now. Because they work on it now. Bye. I love you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go and follow Edo Omosigo in Facebook. Then go and follow Omosigo lunch in Eastern Orient Gram, alias Gram. Una go follow and there. Now here you want buy, it dey there. Make life simple. Go just help you tie and prepare am. If na stew, oh, forget that one. If you say boil rice, put you go boil rice. If you say tie the rice, you go just tie am. As one man squad, you go just tie am for cellophane, put everything for fridge. Just to bring the rice come out warmer. Then you go just bring the stew come out. What side your stew ready and stew not they cook the spoil. Just put on your onion, you walk where you receive where. You know if they walk maybe they eat like rabbit because you will say, oh, I know as I want to go cook today. Oh, I just tired, my God. See the way I take tired. Almost he go there for you. Edo almost he go. He just take life easy. Oma go ag money ye niore. Take life easy. Lunch. Or take a kino wari yewa. Ew. Ije me one make life you know why easy na moya. Anywhere where it branch day, I will tell you now. So the people where they that city too, they will still the order. Bye. I love you guys. Ciao. Ajina Gwogo 1.